PowerPoint 2016 Slide Safari. Tech Talk. In this chapter, we will learn about starting PowerPoint 2016, components of PowerPoint 2016 window, creating a new presentation, adding text in a slide, inserting a new slide, inserting a picture to the slide, saving a presentation, viewing a slideshow, closing a presentation, exiting PowerPoint 2016.
Bhaiya, my teacher said we will learn PowerPoint 2016 tomorrow. What is it and what is it used for?
Ikra, PowerPoint 2016 is a fun computer program that helps us to create presentations using slides.
Presentations? Slides? What do they mean?
A presentation is like a digital story. Slides are the pages where we can add text, pictures, and even videos.
Oh, is it already installed on our computer?
Yes, just look for the orange icon with a white P. That's PowerPoint 2016.
Wow! Will you help me make a presentation about our pet Scooby?
Of course, I would love to help you. A presentation is a systematic display of information on a particular topic. The most common and user-friendly software used for creating a presentation is PowerPoint, developed by Microsoft, like Word. PowerPoint is also a part of the Microsoft Office suite. In PowerPoint, a presentation is created in the form of a series of slides in which text, images, and sound can be added. Slides are the individual pages of a presentation that can be displayed one by one on a screen. Starting PowerPoint 2016. The steps to start PowerPoint 2016 are as follows. Step 1. Click on the Start button. Step 2. Scroll down and click on PowerPoint 2016. Step 3. The Start screen appears. Select the blank presentation thumbnail. A new blank presentation named Presentation 1 will be opened. Components of PowerPoint 2016 window. PowerPoint 2016 window has the following components. The above window shows the components of PowerPoint window. Let us learn about some important components. Quick Access Toolbar. It contains the buttons for the most commonly used commands such as Save, Undo, and Redo. Title bar. It is the horizontal bar at the top of the screen that displays the name of the presentation currently open. On the right side of this bar, we will find the minimize, maximize or restore down and close window buttons. Ribbon. It is below the tabs and shows the groups and commands related to the active tab. It provides all the essential tools needed to create and design slides. Status bar. It is a horizontal bar at the bottom of the presentation that shows the current slide number, number of slides in a presentation, view buttons, and zoom slider. Tabs. They are horizontal labels just below the title bar such as Home, Insert, Design, Transitions, Animations, etc. Each tab contains a set of related tools and commands used to perform specific tasks. File tab. It opens the backstage view where we can perform actions like opening, saving, printing, and sharing a presentation. Slide navigation pane. It is located on the left side of the PowerPoint window. It shows all the slides in the presentation as small pictures called thumbnails. We can also add, delete, copy, and rearrange slides in this pane. Slide pane. It displays a large image of the active slide on the right side of the PowerPoint window. Placeholders. They are the dotted rectangular boxes on a slide that holds the text, the pictures or images, etc. They can be resized, moved or entirely deleted from the slide. View buttons. They are located on the status bar of the presentation. They help to switch between a normal view, a slide sorter view, a reading view, and a slideshow view. Zoom slider. It is located on the status bar at the bottom right corner of the PowerPoint window. It allows us to quickly zoom in or out of the presentation by dragging the slider handle or clicking the plus and minus buttons. Creating a new presentation. A new presentation can be created in the following two ways. 1. Using a blank presentation. 2. Using templates. Using a blank presentation. The steps to create a new presentation using the blank presentation option are as follows. Step 1. Click on the File tab. The Backstage view appears. Step 2. Click on the New option in the left pane. There are many options in the right pane. Out of these, select Blank Presentation. A new blank presentation appears in the PowerPoint. Using templates. A template is a pre-designed presentation layout that includes custom formatting and designs. It can save a lot of time and effort in creating a new presentation. The steps to create a new presentation using templates are as follows. Step 1. Click on the File tab. The Backstage view appears. Step 2. Click on the New option. Step 3. Search for a template or click on one of the suggested searches below the search box. For example, select the Education category. Step 4. A number of templates will be displayed in the thumbnail view. Scroll down and click on the required thumbnail to preview the template. Step 5. Click Create to use the selected template. Step 6. The selected template will open as a new presentation comprising a group of slides. Adding text in a slide. To add text in a placeholder, click inside it and start typing. First, click in the title placeholder box and add text. Then, click in the subtitle placeholder box and add text. Inserting a new slide. To insert a new slide in your presentation, follow these steps. Step 1. Click on the Home tab. Step 2. Then, in the Slides group, click on the New Slide drop-down arrow. Step 3. Select the desired slide layout from the gallery that appears. Step 4. A new slide with the selected layout will be displayed. To change the layout of an existing slide, click the Layout button in the Slides group and then choose the desired layout from the drop-down menu that appears. To quickly add a slide having the same layout as the selected slide, simply click the top half of the New Slide button. Inserting a picture to the slide. To insert a picture to the slide, follow these steps. Step 1. Click on the slide where we would like to add a picture. Step 2. Click on the Insert tab. Step 3. Go to the Images group and then select the Pictures option. Step 4. A dialog box called Insert Picture will appear. Browse to the location of the picture we want. Select the picture and click on the Insert button. The picture will appear on the slide. Resize the picture by dragging its corners and place it at the required place by using the mouse. Saving a presentation. It is important to save our work for future use. For saving a presentation, the steps are as follows. Step 1. In the File tab, click on the Save or Save As option. The Save As pane appears. Step 2. select the Browse option. Step 3. The Save As dialog box will appear, asking us to select the location where we want to save our presentation. Step 4. Type the name of our presentation in the File Name box. Step 5. Click on the Save button. This saves the presentation and the new file name appears on the title bar. Viewing a slideshow. When the presentation is complete and properly saved, it is very important to present it in the correct way. A slideshow refers to displaying all the slides of a presentation in a sequence on the full screen mode. To enter in the slideshow mode, press F5 on the keyboard or click on the slideshow view button located on the status bar, or click on the slideshow tab and in the Start Slideshow group, click on the From Beginning to view the entire presentation, or the From Current Slide to view from the current slide onward. Press the arrow keys or click on the left mouse button to move through a slideshow. At the end of the presentation, a blank screen will appear with the message End of Slideshow. Click to exit. So, press any key to exit slideshow. Closing a presentation. After completing the presentation and properly saving, it is time to close the presentation. The steps to close the presentation are as follows. Step 1. Click on the File tab. Step 2. Select the Close option. The presentation will get closed, but the PowerPoint window will remain open. If we have not saved our work, then PowerPoint 2016 will ask us to save the changes before closing. Exiting PowerPoint 2016. To exit from PowerPoint 2016, use the Close button on the right side of the title bar of the PowerPoint window or by pressing Alt plus F4.